Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this sticker video effect on CapCut PC. So select your video, mask, circle, or any shape you want it to be, but I'm just going to select this. I'm also going to scale it down just a little bit, and I'm also going to change the frame ratio. You don't have to, but I choose to. Then add in like a white stock video underneath that as well, and then select like the mask one and then select a circle one and try to adjust it where the circle's in the middle, and you don't want a lot of white showing up, just like, you know, those like sticker border stuff. Go to effects, go to texture, and add in as many as textures you can add, as much textures as many. I don't know the right one for it. But I'm just going to basically add in the folds one and like maybe add in the plastic one on top as well, and maybe the print one. If it's too like light, you can go to the video and go to adjustments and adjust the brightness and contrast of it a little bit more. Then select everything, right click, create compound clip, so it just stays on the like sticker. And then for the background, you can like use like a paper or like, you know, like a paper texture like this one. Where is it? Like this one. Or maybe like put it like here. I don't know. It's totally up to you. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!